today, and today I'm going to be making golden milk. How I came up with the idea for this video is somebody recently commented on an old video of mine that I have posted on an old channel that I used to do with my ex, and it was basically me about a skin condition that I have and just talking about it a little bit, and I received shockingly a lot of positive feedback. And this recent comment that someone gave was to try golden milk and black seed oil. Decided to go and find golden milk and black seed oil pills at the store. So I drove all the way out to a Wegmans, and I saw the price of the golden milk and I saw the price of the black seed oil pills, and I was like, am I really gonna sit here and spend nearly $40 on this? And I was almost about to just buy the pills, but I was just like, I'm not spending $14 on this. So I basically Googled what the ingredients to golden milk is, and I decided I'm just gonna make it at home instead. I'm not even gonna talk that much because I just kind of want to get into it because this is a different type of video. So anyway, I'm just gonna get into it and get into the recipe. So let's get to it.
Okay, so this is a simple enough recipe. So you can start off with 2 cups of unsweetened almond milk, but you can use any other type of milk that you prefer or what's better for your diet. Then 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and you can find this at any local Indian market. Then you'll need 1/4 of vanilla extract, and then 1/4 of black pepper. Then you're gonna need 1 teaspoon of ginger, and then 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then the last thing you'll need is honey, just to sweeten up because it is going to be very potent. And one thing that I totally forgot to add in is just 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So yeah, make sure you put that in there. So first thing you're going to do is to add your 2 cups of milk to the pot, and then you're going to boil it. So after about 5 minutes of having your milk boil on high heat, you'll get this nice frothy color, and then that's when you'll add in all of your ingredients except for the honey, because adding in honey at a very high temperature destroys all its nutritional value it could add. So add that after this step. So once you stir in all your ingredients, you will put the stove on a low temperature and continue to stir it every so often, and then it should come out very smooth and it'll look golden, hence the golden milk. Ha 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 ha. Okay, once you've turned off the heat and it's cooled down a little bit, then you can then transfer it over to any mug, and this is mine, of my choice. Please don't look at my nails, they look terrible. But I put down a paper towel because it does have turmeric powder and it stains really easily. And so all you have to do is transfer over to your mug, and then after that you can add either your sweetener choice of honey or agave. It really just depends on your preference, and you just stir it in, and that's pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for watching.